once again to the Geek Lab, and today's video we're going to be looking at Axel's magic hammer, found here on the Amiga 500. So let's see what merriments and joy and stuff like that this little platformer has in store for us. And this is the furthest I've been with this game, just to the intro screen. And it looks like we've got some of the Amiga famous loading to go again, so may have to cut away for a few moments here whilst it sorts its stuff. Oh, maybe not. Okay. Right, okay, we are in, and right. Didn't get to select anything then, it just went straight on. So, oh, sugar. Okay, straight away it's attacking me. What we got? We got a jump, we got a whacker with a hammer, and okay. Let's head away from the dangerous volcano type thing and head this way. Okay. Controls, oh, it's very placeable. Let's put it that way. Okay. Ah, we get to whack stuff like that, okay. Ah, and now I can jump up. Whack him. Yeah, because he's a pain in the posterior. Can I whack that now? Now he's gone. Nope, okay. Appears to be no music to this. Which is a wee bit disappointing, but there we go. No, I can't do anything that way. So it looks like you've got to clear each screen on this. Okay, fair enough. We can do that. Right. Okay, so on this side, we can't go down, but we can whacker. And oh no, don't want to go that way. Right, so whacker. And up and up and yes, we have rewards. Right, yes, I think we're clear on that screen because there's really nothing else to, unless there's something up there that we can easily get. No, there isn't. So let's go to the next screen. And we've got the same again, but with things trying to kill us this time. Okay. Who's making the bouncy noise? It's him. Right, okay. He shall die for disturbing our peace. Yes. Right. Come on. Go. Oh, cock. Right, go. Right, so now we can, although he definitely wants to kill us there, so maybe not the best place to be. Right, go, and cock. Right, we are up here, go. May have been a better idea to shoot things before. Won't let me fire. Why won't it let me fire? That's weird. It shot its own thing though. It didn't kill it. Amazing conspiracy there. Okay, have I run out of fiery things then? It appears that way. Right, let's I did that on purpose to refresh. Honestly. Right, can I? Nope. Okay, I appear to have lost the ability to fire. There, cock. Right, go. Alright. Can I destroy anything now? That's irritating to say the least. Right, okay. Maybe there's something hidden here I can sort of... No. Pop, what's that mean? Don't know. There he just turns into a flower. And I'm destroying the bottom layer here and there's a top layer. Because I'm an idiot. How's that? Right. Maybe I'll find something of use. No. Or maybe I won't. Come on, get him. I got a ring. Whatever a ring does. If it fired, I'd be interested. No. Okay. Yes. Ah, now I can fire again. Okay. Right, let's go back. Finish what I started. Oh, didn't want that one. Okay, I can't kill them, it appears. And I can't go up there anymore. So I haven't got the height. Right, okay, and I destroyed all that because I'm an idiot. So let's go this way and try something in this direction. Right, need to get up there. Ah! I like the screaming he does. Well, at least he got rid of it. Whoa, okay. So my immunity that you usually get and the repositioning of enemies has not occurred, resulting in me dying pointlessly twice. Isn't that nice? Good game design. Can I kill that thing? Or is it just... No, it appears not. Right, we'll give up on that then. Right. Okay, there's not much we can do here. I don't think, because we need a shooty thing to get anywhere. Okay. You're going to go up there, Sonny Jim? No, appears not. Okay. Let's see what wonderments we have on the third screen. Not much. Ah. Okay. I'm looking for a thingy thing jobber. Go away. You may not pester me. Okay, there's a platform there to go down. I don't think we've done up. Let's go and have a peek. Can we get up here, back up here? Oh, we gotta go down. Ah, can get up. Right. Can we get up? Or are we stuffled in trying to... Let's have a look. Go! Ah, good. Right. Ooh, there's just things here. Right, you die. Ah, you die. Ooh! Something big killed me. Continue. Yeah, doing that. Go on then. Go. Oh. I'll avoid that. Right. Looks like we're doing the same thing again. So, yeah. I'm not going to sit here and play this again as a shooty thing. Right. So, hang on. Right. Got a shooty thing. So, we can now shooty things away. And I don't know how long shooty... Ah! 35. 33. Okay. So we've got to be careful here because we have limited ammo. It wasn't just my death that caused that. That'll be why jumping is just up and not a fire button, because you need to use this weapon. Does call for some accurate aiming. Accurate aiming. Who would have guessed? Right. Yep. Does call for some... No. Come on. Accuracy. Right. Yes. Can't do them. Pointless. So... shoot them out of the way. Can we just get in from... Or am I just wasting stuff here? I think I'm wasting stuff, right. Okay, let's try again. No. Looks like they have immunity from prosecution. Right, we got them. Looks like we just have to take the hits and just whatever. Right, let's get back across there. I would like some music in this game. It definitely needs music. At least you know having to reset every time as well. That's probably a really good thing. Now, how you get that top one? We're gonna find out. Have they taken my peas off me? They have taken my peas off me. What pain in the pea. Right, so no real point in doing this one if there's nothing. Boing, bonk on the head. If there's nothing to, yes, that one does stay there. Okay, so we got it. Timed this well. Not my biggest strength of it. Oh, and it killed me. I think there's immunity there, but you don't get immunity from that bloody red thing spinning, which is pleasant, isn't it? And you tend to get stuck in it, which is not the best. Okay. Got one of them. No idea what one of them is, but I get it. So let's ooh. No spinny spins. I'll do what damage I can just in case I find something of useful. Or something of usefulness. Okay, managed to kill him from there, which is quite incredible. Oh, don't fall down. Need to get to this block here. Don't know what happened there. Did I die? Well, did it cause me damage? I think it did. And we're down here again. Right, come on. Let's not bother go that way. Let's just go this way this time. Right. Oh, I had a laser gunny thingy job last time. Go. Coins. Coinage. You're stuck there now, aren't you, for the moment? Right. It's very hit and miss, this game. Should have called it hit and miss. Right. Go. Wonder if I can get them all on the way down. Yes! Oh, what an expert. Okay, so it looks like I go all the way down there and I can get an apple and go back up. I think I'll just take the steps, it's less risky. Steps. These things. Right. Go. Come on. Right. Go. No. The me was that when that sound goes off, it's going to tell you to sod off. At least it's honest. That goes nowhere. Ah! You little shit shyster. Right. Got him. Ha! Now I can't get up. Well, I possibly can, I just need to do it from the other side. Got my head protection. Always good. Always wear head protection. Boys and girls. Right. Right. Are we ready? Go! Can't get up there at the moment. Nope, appears not. Nope. Right. Oh, I killed him. Okay. Yes. Looks like once I'm in this bit, there's no coming back. Okay, that will do. That will do indeed for Axel's Magic Hammer on the Amiga 500. It's got a bit bored there actually. Yeah, it's a sort of jumpy platformer puzzle game. So if you're into that, then yeah. Would have liked some music in the background, especially as that music ain't bad at all. So there you go. It is what it is. Axel's Magic Hammer. I don't think that's a euphemism either. So if you enjoy these videos, then please subscribe if you're not, and hit the notification bell so it actually tells you of new videos. Join us on Facebook and Twitter, and if you really like the channel, you can support us through Patreon. Thank you very much for watching.
You need to quit being dirty. You're a dirty boy.